Scarcity, the fundamental economic problem. Welcome to Economics Made Simple. Today, we will learn about one of the most important concepts in economics, scarcity. Scarcity is known as the fundamental economic problem because it affects every individual, business, and society. Let's understand what scarcity means and why it is important in economics. Human wants are unlimited. People continuously seek better food, better housing, quality education, healthcare services, modern technology, and improved transportation facilities. As one want is satisfied, another new want arises. Therefore, human wants never come to an end. This unlimited nature of human wants is one of the basic realities of economic life. Resources are limited. While human wants are unlimited, the resources available to satisfy those wants are limited. Resources such as land, labor, capital, time, and money exist only in limited quantities. Since these resources are scarce, it is impossible to satisfy every human want completely. This limitation of resources creates an important economic challenge. What is scarcity? Scarcity is a situation where human wants are unlimited, but the resources available to satisfy those wants are limited. In economics, we can express this idea as scarcity equals unlimited wants plus limited resources. Because resources are insufficient to satisfy all wants, a gap is created between what people desire and what society can produce. This gap is known as scarcity. Example of scarcity. Let us understand scarcity with a simple example. A student has only 24 hours in a day. The student wants to study, play sports, and enjoy entertainment. However, time is limited. Since the student cannot do all activities at the same time, he or she must decide how to use the available time. This is a practical example of scarcity, where limited resources require making choices. Scarcity leads to choice. Because resources are scarce, individuals, businesses, and governments must make choices. Individuals decide how to spend their income and time. Businesses decide how to use labor, capital, and other resources efficiently. Governments decide how to allocate resources among education, healthcare, infrastructure, and public welfare. Therefore, scarcity leads to choice, and choice leads to decision making. Importance of scarcity. Scarcity is the foundation of economics. It helps us understand the importance of efficient resource allocation. Scarcity teaches us how to use limited resources wisely and avoid waste. It also helps individuals, businesses, and governments make better decisions. Without scarcity, there would be no need for economic decision making. Conclusion. Voiceover. To conclude, scarcity is the fundamental economic problem of having unlimited wants and limited resources.